The term dead eyes look refers to a blank, emotionless expression that can make someone appear lifeless or devoid of warmth. While some people may aim to achieve this look for aesthetic purposes, it can also indicate fatigue, dehydration, or emotional distress, such as depression or trauma. Factors like aging, bone structure, and even certain medications or substances can contribute to this appearance, as can conditions like autism, where individuals may avoid eye contact. Social media has popularized tutorials on how to create the dead eyes look with makeup. But there is also a growing awareness of the potential mental health implications associated with it. To avoid looking dead-eyed, individuals can relax their facial muscles, express emotions, and maintain eye contact appropriately, while those wanting to achieve the look can use specific makeup techniques.